Good afternoon, country people them. We glad for meet up una. Now the last one this for the week. Tori for this afternoon, Tronumba. We go turn back for this fireaway cash for house for finance inside Douala here. Now so too we'll talk chapter from Dongame where it don't happen for that side for Loom. Now for Sika waiting, for Sika say plenty of small picking them now so they don't be smoke plenty of this war Sika them. Now for Sika wider with DO. It be meet up with all chief people them and even population for Loom side for see me they do waiting. Start for see as way they go control small picking them for palava for the smoke banger. All the Tori then so plus even Tori self-web newspaper they take talk. We go bring them for this afternoon. Big part talk it tell we say waiting. Person where it dey empty last, he no fit ever put in hand for pocket. As a person where it dey empty last, he no fit ever put hand for pocket. One say big thank you for you, Job Desiree. You dey for side for Limbe. Now you send me big part talk. At the turn back small time. Country people them, good afternoon. We glad plenty for meet up una for this side. So for Equinox Story House, so take a talk, a story for this afternoon. We go begin now with this fire again. Where it be enter for Douala here, it be dinner for Thursday, hot afternoon. Where people they ready work for finance house for inside Douala side there, they only meet up fire. Make we try for enter again for inside this chapter for talk palava the fire will take happen. Just for Sabi say the fire, it burn some office, con the people them and so to enter for plenty place. Yes, fire will take cash. As we start cash one time, now so big man for palava firefighter people them, all them with the lamboy them, they land for them for take see as we they so defeat even struggle for lost the fire. The fire it be enter now for one of the room them for inside that finance house. Now so to Michaela and the lamboy them. All the day now the big man says for palava for police they fight to fire. You go and talk say army rescue unit come with your tap for inside the thing. All their pipe them water it just come out for see as well they feel lost that fire before he enter for the next house. So now so they take talk. No man never feel for talk. Whether now for seekers on small cable way he caught on how the fire take start. But now for time Papa God say as well just start cash one time. Now so to one time. Police or army rescue units if you want put and so they run come for taxi as well they fight the fire. If you enter that office you go see and fine. Now the officer Ogadio says every day for take look to your own big man for firefighter people them. He says they try for talk for Ogadio as well the fire take start. Now so to the enter lost all the small fire way if you even show hate for inside that chapter. Sabi say no man no die. Small machine a burn and other small book them they take burn for that fire way because so for that finance house for Douala side there. Make we take una go for Kutaba. Now for Bafusam side there. For that side, all people the way they play money, they play 100 for game. Now so gendarme people them for Kutaba, they don't start for fight war with that game them. Yes, make we enter for inside this one too for TikTok Kutaba for that side for West region. Small pikino, big pikino. Now this game where they put 100 for inside 25 francs. Where you the turn for road now so for change 100 na trouble. For change 500 na trouble. All money they enter now for that game. All money they enter. Complain where people they don't make and last. Big commander for that side so Frederick Tonga in a Lamboy them they enter for inside street. They don't start pick all the machine the way they chop our coin them. Yes, now the machine and that where they chop our 100, 50, 25. So they don't talk saying a war on top that machine them. Sabi say you fit turn now say for inside Douala here say the fine change for 500. May they give you 100. You know the fee for Siam. All 100 it enter now for inside the machine. All 100 inside the machine. All 100 inside the machine. So people them for Kutaba gendarme when a big man says Frederick Tongo, they don't start fight war with the people them for machine. Sabi say the machine is there for all corner. Now for Sika them, now that now we coin in that. You know if you see coin for outside careless, but you open that machine, you go see all coin there for inside. Only way they the full way. We the only lost our money them inside that kind of game there. So Kutaba people, they don't start glass more. After we big commander for that side, Frederick Tongo, he enter for land. for see as we go carry all that machine the way in the chop we coin then carry and go. Palava to this afternoon, we talk chapter for Mutumbu people them. Yes, artists they don't vex. They say why minister for Palava culture? Now since Mwele Kombi he get for commodity Sonakam. Why he get for commodity way they be already get their team way he be there ever turn up since now then say they be look at them. For Sika that one, Tron Dongamen it be happen for that side for Yawende. Yes. Artists people them or Mutumbu people them they be there all them services on one day they don't like the idea when minister bring another people they like the idea. So people they don't like the idea with now God Jean-Pierre so myself a day for before they be meet up with Tory people them and artist people them for tell them say for true this thing when minister for Palava for culture now since when they come be do he no glad them at all. So then say they don't go find their lawyer. They don't give all team for lawyers. Say make lawyer carry minister and other people then go for court. For start see as well they go judge this Palava. They say how they go get their own association. For Mutumbu people then since now they don't can make another one say Sonakam. So them they talk say they know they inside that Sonakam at all. They know they. So they don't bring lawyer man. So lawyer man now so again for the follow all the Palava and say make the council that Sonakam for them. Sonakam no get no use for them. They no get no use. They don't enter for their own side since. So minister be only get for can enter to you see as well the people they feel organizing. So artist people they don't toss in a lie. They know they for inside Sonakam at all. They no feed the day. No one day inside Sonakam. We go take una now so we go for that side so for Loom. Yes, for that side so for Loom country people them. We talk chapter for Ndongame we take happen for inside quarter day na for side for Banga side. We ide so ibide na bibi Ndongamen. Palava banga we picking the smoker. Banga we small picking the smoker. Yes, you see small picking for small years. They hide the smoke banger. All kinds small things they so small picking them for the time all things they sabi. Instead for them for go school, even when they go school, na chapter for go small banger. So if you see the way we small picking they behave now, even the way they dress, the way they wear their clothes, when you look and fine, you see clothes a young boy wear them, or a young girl, you see them, see how close we see clothes they wear them. Now so they go tell say na Android generation. Oh boy, Android generation, they wear the kind of clothes when they see for road, they say be thief man. The one that they won't go school, sell them for go school side. They play on top bicycle, Then after all the one they so some of them they also go school, go smoke cigar. Then Nadi wo cigar. Now for Sika why that way Oga D.O. for that side don't go big Ndongamen. He bring all chief there. Say me she don't talk how way they feel stop deep picking the way they don't cause palava. Sabi say some of them when they drink this, when they smoke this cigar, then drink even that Trump medicine, they go only come out cantif again. Yes, they go come out cantif. So now all the one they so he make Oga D.O. He call all chief them for that side. He say make the she don't so talk as well they feel help so that this palava for cigar and other one they no go be for inside town. So Ndongamen he don't hold. And D.O. he don't talk for the chief them and population. For that side say make the she done and make the check as well they feel help. If you then a time for clap, all people they glad plenty for Sika say na fine meeting where Oga D.O. bring up. So that people then say they go understand say no, small picking them na them be tomorrow big people them. May they know they go smoke cigar all time, cigar, smoke banger, take tramadol, take the one, take cock. After they come out again, they go thief. Then they kill them or they knock them so they die. So Ndongamen he don't start and small time we go start here result for that Ndongamen. We'll be talk with the one chief for that side. We'll be ask the chief plenty questions. So it go take time. He answer we one after another. First question where Zakino Mulum he put on for that chief na say make it talk chapter for the Ndongamen when a palava from Banga. Make we hear what your chief talk.
Skyway small picking the smoke today. We get for sensibiliser all the population. Make say we put last for all that thing. We go make committee de vigilance. We go work for name for Baba down tobacco way. We picking the smoke because you don't pass mark. Say we smoke picking, small school picking. The small that tobacco for this time. Not fun.
Yes. Before chief you be one go Jacques, you know if he ask you to say how is it town? Dirty for town, wait till you get for talk. Make we hear it.
For Doty, man if you talk again, Doty don't pass mark. That will really say population de plenty, na so Doty to plenty. Mais you too different like some people when they know this because Mary you know get no one motor, no one thing for take carrying Doty.
Yes, Chief, before you want go make we ask you last question. Nkunkuma don't talk say decentralization, it go come. What you get for talk for Palava decentralized?
With the same thing decentralization, if it come, it go fund plenty because we get plenty societies for inside the arrondissement. When they move sand outside, but when they don't work to know that if inside arrondissement, you know go be for some country, for some place where we get sand, and we work against poto any day. And that decentralization it will come, and I will regret to make compete.
Yes, thank you plenty, Chief, for the plenty answer we give for we man Jacques Inomulum. Make we hear some one mami for that side so for Lum. It take talk palava this ndongamen we dio mekam a glad plenty. Make we hear you talk.
Take down super fair. It take part for that small picking for 16 ans. Suite and then you sumun banga and then you go school. Then you come out for us, then tout quoi. So take go school, then you go school. Then you go now for inside cacao, banana, sumun banga. With the back separate teach and the way. Then you teach people picking them. Say then begin take care for picking way now account school. Begin talk for papa and mommy say picking our account school today. For sick I said then you come then you go to Mon and Banga. You don't pass mark.
Yes, na mami that for picking country people them Friday na the last one then that will be fit for sure. But Sabi say Tori where the enter for we EM. For side for Bamenda, it try for Terry say all man, it dinner for inside house, been people they don't lock their store, now for Sika say waiting, they try for talk say after some small shaky way take pass for Bamenda yesterday, today, all place it dinner black. If you understand to I try for talk, Kamamburu the day for all corners, so all people they fear, Kamamburu no they shoot, but people they fear, for Sika say they no sabi to if it happen. So all man, been people them, they don't lock their door, all man it dinner for inside house, one day they run. They did run according to Tori that where we did hear them for that side. So for Bamenda Tori when newspaper then say they talk ide make we enter for inside the Guardian Post where ide for outside this morning time. Guardian Post editorial for this morning they did try for tell we say waiting time it don't reach where they go for talk for small picking them the true talk for palava waiting it mean for 11 February. If you want sabi that one fine the Guardian Post get the answer. So for inside the Guardian Post they try for tell we say waiting 3 clap for Alamin May and he boy them for inside minister where they look out with money for country. Why they talk say they give them 3 clap. Now for Sika say even as we know West Palava them, even Boko Haram, other small thing the way they worry country. So people that way they work under Ngomna, they also chop their money like a salary all month. How it make the kind of one? Now the BB one that they told me they give plenty hand for clap. So for inside the Guardian Post, una go fit for it, a palava for waiting. As we Anglophone teacher people them, Anglophone teacher trade union, it don't meet up, it don't vex plenty with Prime Minister for palava appoint for GCE registrar. This one it come with SDF themselves, they don't get number 3 name where he get for Nakhead with OC Joshua and Honorable Joseph Badam for which man he go turn up like represent for SDF for palava votes for 2018. All that to read and so plus other one the Guardian Post he get them. Make we take una enter for the post weekend where he dey for outside the post weekend where dey for outside he try for Terry palava 2018 vote Popo he don't talk say Senate their own vote it go happen now for 25 days for March moon. Order to read the day as well the Terry as well Popo he make appoints for new people them where they go look out with Constitutional Council. So for inside the post weekend they try for Terry as well 11 February they come GO he don't talk say make they no say no chop or make no dancing no DSSF for as wey you dey in the past. If una wan sabi na for enter for the guide for the post weekend wey is also get another tori for day as wey dey tell we say governor dey talk from governor people dem say make they left lawyer and family people dem for Ambazonia people dey catch dem make they take see them. All that tori dem so una fit for read am for the post weekend plus other tori dem wey dey get am for inside. Make we enter now so for Nouvelle Expression wey dey for outside. Nouvelle Expression wey dey for outside for this morning time. It turn back for inside chapter for National Assembly wey take born. Zongang e dey blame Kabayege Jibril. Na for sika wetin na for enter for inside that chapter for Sabiwa wey Zongang e dey blame Kabayege Jibril for palava fire wey e catch for National Assembly. When una enter fine for inside, una go read for corner other small hot number dem thing wey e dey pass for inside country according to wetin wey Nouvelle Expression e take carry am today. We go enter now so for Le Messager wey dey for outside. Le Messager wey dey for outside e dey try for tell we how wey popo e don make Anglophone people dem. Yes, how we popo e don make Anglophone people dem. Wetin they get for talk for that chapter na for enter for inside. This one dey come to wetin United they try for tell we say European Union themselves they don't contribute 100 billion France CFA na for sika wetin for sika palava for on that side for Norway. So if una read tori dem fine they get other tori dem wey una fit read am wey una go sabi as we country Ediwaka. Last story for this afternoon na mutation wey dey for outside. E enter na for inside CPDM party SSF wey e dey talk say BB trap e dey as we Senate palava e get for happen. Big trap e dey as we Senate palava e get for happen. Other tori dey wey mutation wey comot today e take carry am. If una never read tori, just go for the nearest one wey dey for your corner, pick anyone, start for read am for sabi wetin dey happen. Country people dem na so we see country this half time. Make una sabi say PG News debate e dey all Saturday dem 12:30 so take for 1:30 na time for we for talk with trainer dem, talk all the thing dem wey don dey happen for inside the week. We dey take style talk say happy weekends for all people there wey they don dey look out to it, all people there they don dey send image, people there they don dey help say make the program waka fine. We remember you Oga Live for Kumba, Derek Jato for Boyam, even you Davidson Maimo for that side, so for Limbe, Ginny Edmond, Bustella, Bamenda side. We also remember you where they call you say Jacques Inomolong for that side, so for Lum Kupe Maninguba side. For this side, Chief Robert Mukube, you dey, even Ash Tesi, that one Claude Ikwam and Steve Ebulem. All people they dey plus camera people them where they don't look us say make program waka fine. If you don't take table, chop your chop fine, bon appetit. Ambassador go meet up una for 12:30 for Saturday for PG News debate. Una hold am tight.